preparing my presentation was kind of a struggle. And I want to tell you why. Not because of the 10 minutes Lorna was giving us, but because of something else. On my way to this high-tech campus, I was sitting on the bus, and I was thinking, seeing all the other people sitting in the bus, how can I explain to them what a smart city is? Do they care? And that was mistake one I've made today, because I should have asked them. So on my way back, I will ask the people in the bus about a smart city. Mistake two has to do with this guy, because I'm going to tell about the oracles and the Ciscos in this world, and I have a different view on them, and I wasn't sure that I wasn't aware that he was in, so I don't know what will going to happen. Now there is something wrong because I had a PowerPoint and now, but okay, never mind. 2 weeks ago I was in Berlin at a Republica event, which was an event like this. It was also about the Internet of Things and smart cities. And it was really amazing. We went out, and as you can see, it looked and felt like a festival. People were talking a lot, and I experienced technology there, what technology can do, but I experienced the power of the crowd much more. What can the crowd do as with technology? And I'm not a geek or a techie or whatever. I'm very much into social media, and I believe in the power of the crowd. And actually, I wanted to compare this event with the Berlin event, and I want to make a statement with that. And that doesn't mean that I want to put you all in little boxes, but maybe if you look at the picture I took from this event, if you can see any difference in there. Maybe someone can tell me a small difference. Suits.
People talk to each other in Berlin.
Yep. Well, and it was warm weather in Berlin as it is here today. Another thing, in Berlin I learned that the future is really out here, and that we can create our own worlds, and hopefully the little movie will work. It's without voice, but it's creating the image of being in another virtual world. And I think that our lives will no longer be screen-oriented, but will be focused on Google Glass or in augmented reality, in which you can create your own environment. And I think that will create another dimension of living, and possibly that will be important for us as a municipality. How can we create other environments that people can have a happy life? And this was made by Dutch Rose Solutions, and they create augmented reality images. And well, as a city, we want to learn more about it, and maybe we can use it in a way to talk with our citizens. Well, like I said, I believe in the wisdom of the crowd a lot. So I used my own Facebook page as an experiment to talk with scientists and urban planners. And I actually said, well, please unite at my Facebook page and let's discuss what a smart city is. And well, at this moment still people are entering and joining the discussion. And it's really a vivid and active one. And I asked the same question to my colleagues at the municipality. So please feed me with your ideas about what a smart city is. Well, I got a Word document, what was really boring. And actually that was my idea with the previous slide when I saw the Berlin conference and the Internet of Things conference here. Not that I'm saying that it's boring, but it's different. It's different kind of interaction. So my question is actually, how can we combine both worlds? The bottom-up approach from the Berlin conference, or the bottom-up approach using Facebook to talk about smart cities, and the worlds from the oracles and the Ciscos, and my boss at the municipality who writes long stories. And I really believe that in Eindhoven we have the creativity and the wisdom to connect with technology, and we have the infrastructure to like the fiber networks to the homes and the data centers and the wireless Eindhoven. And with this stuff, with this infrastructure, we can do cool stuff like the crowd management from Tinus Kanters, who's in the audience as well, or the science hack days, or the connection of the e-health stuff to give older people to live them lives more easy and more happier. So I think we have the power and the ecosystem to do that. And my question or my presentation is not about telling you how to do it, but it's a lot of questions I want to ask you from how can we connect a more institutional view with a more bottom-up approach in connecting the people and make our lives more smarter. And I think it's about creating urban ownership and connect them with the institutional technological view with a more bottom-up small approaches. And it's about creating a city in which we all can learn from each other. And I think the technology grids that we are planning in our city are placed from top down, and it won't be able to give the people an experience to learn. And the small projects that come out of our neighborhoods, they have the power to learn and interact with people, but they are often too small to scale up. So I think we need to make a bridge between the two worlds. And well, I've made 3 future predictions, and I used my Facebook community for it to come up with them. And one is that Google Glass and augmented reality and other smart and connected community stuff will stimulate people to imagine new realities based on what ICT can do. Important, however, that this technology will be strengthened by smart people and who can translate opportunities in really possibilities. And that is something that is really hard. So we have the technology, but we have to work even more harder to connect all the people in order to use them. Another prediction is that for the municipality, I will lose my office and I will work in the city and will work with the people with the same passion as I have and with the lights in their eyes when they talk about innovation. So I think we will no longer be a top-down organization, but it will be more bottom-up and all about passion and interaction. And the last thing is, and that relates to my bus experience this afternoon, that I really hope, and I'm not sure if that's a prediction or just a hope, that the Internet of Things and the smart city will not just be for the elite or a small group of people, but that it will become for the city and that we can really make our lives better. So that was my presentation.
Thank you.